In this quick start video, you will learn how to create a simple chat app using React.js and Kontenbase. To get started, visit Kontenbase and log into your existing account that is Google account as well. Once we have authenticated, we will be displayed this module to create the first project. Give the project a name and click Continue. In a moment, the project has been successfully created. We don't seem to have any service yet. Create the first service using Create New Service or Create Service button. Name the service chats and set it as a private service. Along with private service, there will be two additional services out and users. This service is used for authentication. Click Customize Field and these are the default fields. Let's customize the field based on the needs of the chat app. Kontenbase supports any data modeling for application needs, so make sure to select the type field that matches to your field. Next, click Authorization. Here we will know the permissions allowed when authenticating as public or authenticate in each service. And we may know the selected method for public is only get and for authenticate has all access. So in order to create record, let's register a user. Once a user has registered, the response will be a token. Navigate to chat service, try to find record. And there is no records yet. So create a record will authenticate as public. But you got an error message because you access a private service without being authenticated. Change public to user which is registered, send request and we just add a record. Let's add more records. Find records. And here are all of the records I have created. Next, let's try to find records with conditions. First is filter, and these are the records. Next, try to find records that is equal to CU, and I don't have any records that CU, but it should be capital letter S, so there will be a record. Next, let's try sort. And the record is descending by the name. And last is pagination for limit, and I just like to have 2 records only, so there will be only 2 records displayed. And after that, you can directly copy the API and paste it in your browser or any API platform to try the service. Because I copied API that has the limit parameter, so the result based on the API. Now our backend is ready to use. Copy the APK on the project setting and you may clone the front-end repository that has been prepared. Once the project is cloned, open the React.js chat folder, then package.json file. You will find that this project using Kontenbase SDK library. To install Kontenbase SDK, run npm install save at kontenbase/sdk. Next, to create a client that will interact with Kontenbase backend, so this file will interact to .env and paste the APK which is copied and rename the file to .env. After that, in pages folder, first register. In this file, there is a function that relates to Kontenbase API register. After that, in login, also import Kontenbase for connect to Kontenbase client. And we use this function for login that connect to Kontenbase as well. After that, in this file, import sort from Kontenbase SDK. And this is the API to get profile or user. And this is the API for find records from chat service. Next, this is the API for the real-time messaging. And this is for the unsubscribes API. And the last, for post chat or to create chat, we use this function that connect to Kontenbase to post record in chat service. Then open your terminal to install our dependencies, then run your project and it will look like this. Here I have opened the project into different windows and the real time will look like this. So that's all the quick start guide to create project in Kontenbase and use Kontenbase SDK on front end.